Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and it's time for another roller coaster ride and review. We're going to go on the Hurler here at Carowinds. It's just behind Fury 325. You can see Fury 325 in the distance there, just behind the Jukebox Diner, and you can come right down the queue. This used to be part of the Wayne's World theming. We got some watchers right there, and that's where the name comes from. Like Wayne's World, they're like, oh, I'm gonna hurl. That's like code for like throw up, I guess, and they just went with it. They kept the name. Must have not had any copyright or any problems like that when they switched over from Paramount to this park to the current owners of the park, which is Cedar Fair, of course. And we're just gonna walk you on up. We'll take a look at what the ride looks like, point of view. Stick with us for that, and we'll tell you what we think of the roller coaster when we get down. So I am noticing they've done quite a bit of maintenance on this ride. I'm seeing a lot of new beams. It looks like they've kept it up nicely. It's very clean. You've got a nice overhead canopy for the queue, and it doesn't look like there's much of a wait. So I think we're probably going to be in like a walk-on situation once we get up here. So I'll switch over to the other camp, and we'll see you when we get on the ride. All right, here we go.
Bags, put it on the bench over here. No bags in the ride. Then we have a hat. You gotta take that off too. No hat in copyright.
Seat belt, but don't touch the thingy. Okay.
But don't touch the restraints. Keep those flat bars up. Don't move down at any point. After you bump them up, don't do anything else. Make sure those black bars in front of you stay up. Don't pull down. Keep them up. Make sure your hands are out of the way. And not the other. It's going to be out of the way.
Okay, we're in. I think I'm like riding on my wallet. I'm gonna be okay. I'm all right. It'll be okay. So Hurler, front row, all right. Sun's peeking in and out. I think we'll be good right now for a little ride. It's got a lap belt and it's got a lap restraint. We'll see how you do, Becky. All clear. Here we go, everybody. We will see you in a minute or two, I guess. Definitely a wood track. I think they got her nice and greased. We'll see what the chain looks like. Yep, looking good. Pretty quick. Nice little lift hill. I'm gonna go hands up, why not? We'll see how she runs. This might be like a Thunder Run situation or an American Thunder situation. I don't know what to compare it to yet. We'll see. We shall see. There's all the... Okay, here we go. Bad. It had good pacing. Good pacing. It really roars on the track. I mean, it's not like thundercloud roars, but it's pretty noisy. Yeah, they got the heart pumping. Warm me right back up. The humidity, you can really feel the humidity in the air. And Yeah.
Hands like tingly.
Yeah. It was good. It was good. It kind of, okay. I feel it maybe in the head, just a touch. Not bad though. Not bad. It just, you know, it's a little bit rattly at the end. I feel like it kind of like, you know, around that last couple of helixes or whatever you want to call it, it just kind of was dragging on the one side, just a touch. Not terrible, but I don't know. Stick with us here, and we'll tell you when we get in the station what we think of the full ride. All right, everybody, just coming off of the Hurler wooden roller coaster. What'd you think, Becky?
Yeah, I liked it, especially this first drop right into that helix. Definitely a fun wooden coaster.
Really, they got it nice and smoothed out. The chain looked brand new. They've really replaced some boards and stuff like that on it, so they've got the maintenance really well taken care of. It roars on the track. It's got a nice sound to it.
Yeah.
It does like slow down a little bit towards the end, kind of drags the outer rail just at the very back end. But I'm not knocking it. For a wood coaster, it's great. It's nicely maintained. They only got the 2 wood coasters here, the Woodstock Express and the Hurler, but honestly, I was pleasantly surprised with both of those. So if you want to watch this one, you want to see the other wood one, it'll be the Woodstock Express. That's in Camp Snoopy. It's like a family coaster, but those used to be the cat's pajamas like in 1923. So it just depends on what timeline you're from, and you can check those out. So, well, thanks for joining us for this one. Please consider subscribing if you're new. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next Ride and Review. Bye, everybody.